What's up guys, it's me Geek. So the question is that, is Python programming dying or is Python programming dead in 2019? No. Ruby is dead, we can agree with that. Ruby on Rails framework is dead, we can agree with that. But for Python programming, there's no way it's dead. Why? Python has become like a very specialized programming. It has replaced a lot of the curriculum in the computer science degree for teaching the computer science or computation. They replaced the Java with Python. Yeah, before they taught in Java, now they use Python. The major drawback of Python is the indentation. If you press a space by mistake, the code will break. But the good thing is that you have to write like 4 lines compared to writing 10 or 11 lines in Java. And then it's very simple. It's more like humanic language writing in Python. Now come to my point. My point is that Python is being used in a data science, computer science, computation, building application, building not web application, building desktop application, or even building application without GUI. People think application always have a GUI. No. My wife is a doctor. She's not a doctor, like a human body doctor. She is a doctor in computer artificial intelligence. She uses Python. She started using MATLAB and C++. Now she end up in Python. So Python in no way capacities that, to be honest with you. That's what I will say. It was me, Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.
Hey.